there, welcome to Missy's Kitchen, coming to you from the beautiful province of Prince Edward Island. Today I'm going to show you how I make my vegetarian omelette. So today for my omelette I have chosen 4 eggs, spinach, green onion, yellow pepper, some baby tomatoes, some smoked cheddar, a little bit of butter, fruit for garnish, salt and pepper, and a little cream. Okay, so we're going to start with a little bit of butter and put that in our pan. Your pan's on a higher heat to start to get the butter to melt. And while that's melting, I'm going to add a little bit of cream to my eggs. And I'll just give that a good whisk. Want to make sure you have no yolk streaks. And make them nice and fluffy. Add a little bit of pepper to the butter. Just a touch of salt. I'm using a non-stick pan, but I like the taste of butter in my omelette. Okay, and then we're gonna put the cherry tomatoes in, peppers, onions, I'll just saute that. Make these omelettes all the time for my husband. He enjoys all the veggies. You just want to just stir. I like using these vegetables because they're nice and colorful, make a nice presentation, but you can use whatever you like in your omelette. Some people don't like peppers. I can't have tomatoes, although I love them. And then I just throw my spinach on top. I know it looks like a lot of spinach, but it will reduce down, become wilty. Won't take long for that to happen. Keep my pan on a higher heat while this is going on. I'm just going to add a bit of pepper to my egg mixture. Just a touch of salt, not much. Spinach is getting a little wiltier. Such a lovely color with all of those vegetables in there. We like our veggies a little on the crunchy side, so we don't want to cook them too much. Okay, now we're going to pour our eggs over nice and slow. Go around the pan, make sure you get the edges. Just take your spatula and clean in there. Just going to leave it on high heat just for maybe a minute or two. Then we'll turn the heat down. We don't need the salt and pepper anymore. What you're looking for is just the edges of the omelet to become a little firm. And I'll show you what I do. I never flip an omelet. I used to, and they broke all the time. So I kind of learned to do this. I'll turn it down just a little bit. The edges are almost there. Okay, so I just lift the pan, the rest run down underneath. Just do that all the way around. And just keep doing that. This pan is fantastic. Nothing ever sticks to it. I'm just going to put the lid on for a few seconds. So the lid's been on for about 30 seconds, and you can see the omelet's really puffed up. I'm just got almost there. Make sure you're loosening the sides all the time. Okay. I'll go ahead now, add the cheese. Like I said, you can use any kind of cheese you want, but I really like this smoked cheese. As much or as little as you'd like. You can even use sliced cheese, whatever you have. Okay, I'm just gonna put the lid on for another 30 seconds. I don't like to fold my omelet traditionally, which is kind of in half in a moon shape. I find that I'm not very good at it and it breaks. So take the lid off. Okay. What I do is I just flip it into the center and then do the other side. Just kind of tuck everything in. At this point you can turn your oven off. And put the lid on and just remove it from the heat for a few seconds. This is a good time to get your plate ready, which I do have right here. Just want to leave it in there until you see that the cheese is melting. So it'll continue to melt even on the plate and continue to cook inside. Okay, and that's good. So probably 30 seconds to a minute. And because I'm using a non-stick pan, you just slide it right out. Your omelet, and just garnish it up with some fruit, whatever fruit you like. Makes it look kind of fancy. Almost restaurant style. There you have it. Beautiful, beautiful omelet. If you have liked this video, please hit the subscribe and the like button, and bye for now.